Stop saying basic English phrases. Here's how natives actually talk. Instead of be careful, say watch out or take it easy. Once again, watch out or take it easy. Don't say wait. Try hang on or give me a sec. Hang on or give me a sec. Forget I am happy. Say I'm thrilled or I'm over the moon. Once again, I'm thrilled or I'm over the moon instead of I am hungry. Say I'm starving or I could eat a horse. One more time. I'm starving or I could eat a horse. And never say it's interesting. Try it's fascinating or it's intriguing. It's fascinating or it's intriguing. Want more helpful tips? Make sure to follow. Now, let's practice with some dialogues. Listen up.
I'm thrilled. I won the competition. That's amazing. I'm so happy for you. Watch out, there is a car. Take it easy. I've already crossed the road. Where are you? Hang on. I'm coming. Give me a sec. I'm still putting my shoes on. I'm starving. I could eat a horse. Sorry, that's only 5 kilos of food in front of you. Is that enough? You know, that movie is really fascinating. Do you agree? Absolutely. It's intriguing. We have to watch it till the end.
That's why I wanted to do this programme, because it's intriguing.